Meaning of earlobe.
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 Earlobe. The earlobe is the lower, fleshy part of the external ear that hangs down and is made up of soft connective tissue. It contains no cartilage and is highly flexible. It is also known as the lobule, and its size and shape can vary between individuals. Earlobes are commonly pierced for decorative purposes and cultural significance. In some cultures, stretched earlobes are a traditional practice. The earlobe has a rich blood supply, which makes it an ideal location for certain medical tests, such as monitoring oxygen levels in the blood.